Hi everyone, this is Coach Julio and that's my partner Liz. Say hi.
Hi.
Hey. Alright, so we're going to do some jump ropes. Old school basic tool. And then possibly we'll do some hopscotch. So right now she jumped into it, no pun intended. She's just doing singles. Form is everything. Notice her hand and wrist position. Every effort will count. So now she's going to transition to high knees. There you go. Very simple way to get your cardio in. So let's see what she can do. If she can easily transition, how about we'll do some jumping jacks. No joke. Keep going, keep going. We're at 45 seconds. She's still going. How about we go to moguls? That's difficult to get to. No problem. And the last thing, double unders. You can hear it, guys. No joke. And time.